You ain't gonna believe this, but I just saw Zeratul on the ship.
How much did you have to drink tonight, sir?
He was here, Matt. And he was hurt. On the run from something.
And where is he now, sir?
I don't know. But he ain't on the ship anymore. He gave me an Eon memory crystal, and he was desperate for me to study it. I guess he wants me to see what he's seen.
We're rocking some serious heavy metal now that we got siege tanks.
Yes, sir. The comforting thunder of the big guns. Well, comforting when they're on our side.
Yeah, these newer tanks have better guns when they're on the move. And reinforced armor.
So long as they still got the range in siege mode, the rest is just gravy. Between siege tanks and bunkers, we can hold a line against just about anything.
Hounds of the Void are closing in. I impart my memory, my very essence, into this Eon crystal, so that you will see what I have seen, and that the future may yet have hope.
Zeratul. What the hell have you gotten yourself into?
Friend Raynor, long has it been since we stood together against the Swarm. Since then, I have wandered the void in solitude, seeking an ancient prophecy, rumored to foretell the return of the Xel'Naga. My sojourn led me to a remote world known as Ulan, where I discovered fragments of the prophecy. Yet I was not the first to find them. It falls to you now, old friend, to relive my memories and believe. The Zerg swarm came, as was foretold. And the Protoss, firstborn of the gods, rose to fight them. Now, the Xel'Naga that forged us all are returning. But do they come to save? Or to destroy?
away here. Eventually.
Your very presence defiles this place, Kerrigan.
Do you hear them, Zeratul? Whispering from the stars. The galaxy will burn with their coming.
Perhaps. But you won't live to see it.
Please. Our petty conflicts mean nothing now. The storm is coming that cannot be stopped. Fitting that we should face oblivion together.
Never!
Fate cannot be changed. The end comes. And when it finds me, I shall embrace it at last.
The prophecy is uncertain. There is always hope. Shozak Maknul En Arudin Rashagal. The prophecy was divided into fragments, each kept at separate shrines. I must gather them and depart this world quickly. This chasm is vast. It is fortunate that I can phase through the shadows to the other side. Will be restored. In the service of ire. Honor commands. I will fulfill. Spore crawlers can detect my presence. I should stun them with my void prism. Wait. I will fulfill my calling. En Arudin Rashagal. Glory to the firstborn. Honor commands. En Arudin Rashagal. Higher will be. In the service of ire. My allegiance is yours. Sukdash. That spore crawler can detect me from across the chasm. It must be destroyed. We must not hesitate. Honor command. That overseer can see through my cloak. I'd best stun it with my void prison before crossing this chasm. In the service of ire, Sukdash Salak, I will fulfill my calling. The first fragment of the prophecy. Soon all will be made clear.
Why not surrender yourself to oblivion, Zeratul? Wouldn't it be better to end your struggle now than witness the final agonizing moments of your species?
The foreboding prophecy weighs heavily on my heart. So much for Kerrigan's reprieve. In the service of ire.
For Shakuras.
My burdens weigh. Sukdash Salak. En Arudin.
Greetings, Exalted One. We are here in the service of High Templar Karas. He is nearby.
Your presence is most welcome. Let us keep moving.
Permit us to destroy their defenses before we proceed.
Ire will be restored. You address me? We must not hesitate. Lord,
I am the voice of the Eclipse.
I will erase the demons of the past. Shazak Maknul. On my burdens weigh heavily.
You require my skills.
You address me? I will erase the demons of the past. En Arudin. That patrol of broodlords must be dealt with cautiously, or we will be torn asunder. En Arudin, Rashaka. Fulfill my calling. Honor commands. I will be redeemed. My burden. Prepare for an aerial attack. Brace yourselves, my brethren. You address me. My allegiance is yours. En Shozak Makno, the Queen of Blades built hatcheries here. She seeks to subvert this sacred world. I shall put an end to that plan. We must not hesitate. You address me?
You require my skills.
I my burden my allegiance I will erase the demons. En Arudin Rashagal. In the service of ire, you address me.
We are one.
The second fragment of the prophecy. My task is nearly complete.
Very well.
Your hope is an illusion, old fool.
If you can so easily read my mind, Kerrigan, you'll see that I'll never give up, so long as hope remains. Careful now. Kerrigan has set guards to bar our way. It could be a trap. We should take them out carefully, one at a time, or risk being overwhelmed. Race.
Cold is the void.
My burden weigh heavily. I will fulfill my calling. The banelings spew acid when they die. Stalkers, take them out from a distance.
I am the voice of the eclipse.
I honor command. En Arudin. I will erase the demons of the past. Honor commands. In the service of ire. We must not hesitate. Glory. This hatchery must be destroyed if I am to keep the Queen of Blades from subverting this land. My calling. My burdens weigh heavily.
Do thy bidding. It shall be.
Shozak Makno. Sukdash Salok. My burdens weigh heavily. Ire will be restored. My allegiance is yours. In the service of ire. Spine crawlers. Kill them before they can take root and attack. Sukdash Salak.
High Templar Karas is nearby.
En Arudin Rashagal. Glory. My allegiance is yours.
Antaro Tassadar, Prelate Zeratul. I am High Templar Karas. My force tracked the Queen of Blades to this world, Yet we know not what she seeks.
Kerrigan and I were both drawn here to uncover an ancient prophecy. With your aid, I pray we can discover it before her.
It is an honor, Great One. Lead on.
I will erase the demons of the past. You address me? I've placed the Ultralisk in a void prison. Bring it down, Karas.
Intriguing. I am the heart of
Zeratul, can you destroy the F1, sir?
I will be one. You witness me? These Nidus worms must be destroyed, or the Zerg reinforcements will overwhelm us. Stalkers, take the high ground and support our brethren.
Zeratul has destroyed their worms. Press on.
In Rashagal. The final piece of the prophecy. It speaks of one who shall break the cycle of the gods.
Most ominous. But if the Queen of Blades seeks this prophecy, we must keep it from her.
The list is obscured. What?
You might peel away the prophecy's layers, Zeratul, but you cannot outrun the doom that awaits us all.
We cannot prevail against so many.
I will stand against the Queen of Blades while you escape with the fragments.
I will not abandon you.
The prophecy is more important than either of us. Reveal its secrets, Zeratul. The future rests on it.
Your sacrifice will not be forgotten, brother. My burden. I must get to the Void Seeker before the Zerg overwhelm me and the prophecy is lost. En Arudin. Honor commands.
Your allies are in battle.
Glory.
Your allies are in battle.
Now, I shall become one with the Kala.
This is my calling. Higher will be. I cannot decipher the fragments on my own, yet I know who might interpret them. The preservers of Zakul. If they cannot, I fear this entire universe will burn.